Hey, I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading accounts receivable suite app. Today I'll show you how to view GL Audit Numbering Sequences in NetSuite. The first thing you need to do is go to Transactions, Management, GL Audit Numbering Sequences. So you need to understand the information provided here. So we have the sequence name, the subsidiaries it applies to. You see when there's several of them, they're separated by a comma. The type of GL audit numbering sequence, so repeatable or permanent. The accounting period it applies to here. The period, whether it's closed or not, so the period closure status. And then obviously on the right hand side you can see various information like the last number of the previous sequence. You can see the date of the last run, the user who ran the sequence, the status of the sequence, but you need to click on see details here. If you find this video helpful, please like it. At the top of the page you have some filtering options, so by subsidiaries, by posting period and style. If you need to go deeper into a sequence, you can click just edit or view here. If you want to create a new one, you click on new sequence, but I have a video just on creating a new sequence that I recommend you watch. And as well as that, what you could do is go in the description of the video and I left a link there for you to get all the best NetSuite tips and tutorials directly in your inbox. So I would really recommend you do that. It's very popular. See you.